Introduction to tangents. First, let me tell you the definition for tangent. If a line touches a circle at only one point, then it is called as a tangent. Now, we are going to see the construction of a tangent with the help of three types. First type, construction of a tangent with the help of a center. Second type, construction of a tangent with alternate segment theorem. And the third type is to construct a pair of tangents from an external point. Now, I'm going to explain you the first sum, the first type, construction of a tangent with the help of a center. Exercise 4.4, 12th sum. Draw a tangent at any point R on the circle of radius 3.4 cm and center at P. As you know, before we could begin with the construction, the first step is to write given rough diagram and then doing on the fair diagram. Given radius is equal to 3.4 centimeter and rough diagram, I have drawn a small circle with P as center, and at the point R we have drawn a tangent and we have named it as T dash, and the radius of the circle is 3.4 centimeter. Now to begin with the construction, take a ruler and your compass in order to draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter. Measure 3.4 centimeter in your compass and just draw a circle. The point where you place the compass needle is your center. Name it as P. Now from P to one end of the circle, draw a line which is going to be your radius, which is 3.4 centimeter, and the point where the radius touches the circle is R. Name it as R. Now we are going to construct the tangent. Take your compass, place it on the point R, take more than half of the line PR and draw a semicircle. Place your compass on the point R, take more than half of the measurement of PR and draw a semicircle. Don't change the measurement. With the same measurement, the semicircle touches the line PR at a point. So place your compass needle on the point and cut an arc. Name that first arc to be M. Don't change the measurement of the compass. With the same measurement, now with M as center, cut another arc on the semicircle and name it to be N. Now we are going to draw a perpendicular bisector for this MN. With MN as base, you are going to cut arc from both M and N. Now join the arcs with the point R and name the line to be T and T dash. So this is your required tangent, and the tangent makes 90 degree with the radius. So in order to check that, take your protractor, place a protractor on the point R with RP as radius, baseline. If you could measure, you will get RT to be exactly 90 degree. So we have drawn a single tangent with the help of a center.